should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expectant users should not be. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to games. Welcome to TRON Lightcycle, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the life cycle run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you? Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue. Watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.